How to create or open Garena account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can create or open Garena account. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, you want to open up your browser on any of your device, and there you want to search in for Garena, and here you can see the very first link, www.garena.sc. You want to simply tap on it and this should open up. Once this opens up, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and once here you want to tap on the account option. Simply tap on account option and you can see login option, or you can see below it you can see register a new account. Simply tap on register a new account, and once here you want to type in your username, and once you type in your username you want to type in your password here. Once you type in your details and once you enter in your email address, you want to tap on get code option, and once you get the code you want to type in your code here and you want to tap on register now, and you can see the account has been created. So this way you can easily register for Garena account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and now you want to log in here, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.